another video. And today we are going to show you what my dad got from 8-0.
Okay. What is it?
A Hoover washing machine.
Brilliant. Washer dryer. So should we cut it open?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
I can do this one with my left hand.
Okay, I'll tell you what, I'll open it a bit and then you do the rest, yeah? You guys can do that. Let me open it, get it ready for you. A bit. Go on, you pull it. There, from the bottom, from this side. Here.
Hey, look.
Here. Watch fingers. Let me just open it up a bit. Whoa, 1 second. Now do it.
Oh, open it.
Yeah. So cut it a little bit more. Watch your fingers.
Yeah.
Go on, you pull it while I cut it. Pull it. Yeah. Okay. We'll pull this bit off. So let's see what it says here. Let's just take that bit off.
Yay!
Got all the instructions here anyway. Flip it off. Get these bits off. And this bit. Okay, that's the thing.
Daddy, look.
Yes, instructions. So we have to remove it. Okay, these bits. Pull it away.
It looks like
So it's a plank of wood.
it feels really good, doesn't it?
What is it like that for? Looks like it's all. Anyway, enough of that. Get rid of that. Okay, this is it. It's a washer dry 10.
It looks cool, doesn't it?
Very cool. H-Wash Dry 500 eco-pie inverter.
Oh, sideways.
Oh, all the stuff's inside. Aha! So these things I thought we didn't have. So we've got pipe here. Water pipes.
What's that for?
For the water pipe.
Wait, can I do it?
Yeah, have a look. There's a water pipe. Go, come in here. Come and get the stuff out. You get the stuff out. No, leave that for now. You get the stuff out.
Come on.
You get the stuff out.
Go
Get the
in.
stuff out.
I'll
Put
hold
the
it
drum.
for you. Go in there.
Yeah, let go of that. We don't do that yet.
Let go.
Let go of that. Go in there. Get the bits out. Go on.
It's
Reach in.
wet.
Did it work?
Yeah, really.
Sorry about that. Okay, here we go. There's some.
Can I do it
Oh yeah, it's
now?
wet in there. What
It's
is
meant to be
it?
wet in there.
Well, it was raining today.
Should we do it now?
Why is it wet in there? Should be wet in there. It looks brand new. It doesn't look like it's been used.
Look at it when raining.
Because it was raining. So we've got some bits here as well. Some instructions here. Okay.
On the back it looks even better.
We'll put it up on the back. I'm sure. So we've got welcome to Hoover. Okay, got a few instructions here. General safety installation. Let's go straight to installation.
So if it doesn't work, what will happen?
Daddy,
Good
is
turn
this
it.
a hose?
Yeah, that's a hose that goes in the back. So installation, remove 2 or 4 transfer station screws on the back and remove 2 or 4 flat washer rubber bands and plastic spacer tubes. Illustrated in figure 1. The wash machine is built in, we don't do that. Move the cages falls inside the product. This can be removed by tilting the product forward and recovering them from the floor inside the washing machine. Cover the open transfer station screws holes with 2 or 4 plastic caps. Plastic caps here, I presume. Plastic caps here. Yeah?
Yes.
Or is it these plastic caps? These might be the plastic caps here. Here?
Which one's made of plastic?
They're both made of plastic, right? So we'll come around this side. Let me just see what we've got here. What we need. We have got here. These are transportation screws here. So it stops things jiggling around.
Spray it now.
No, we're not yet. We just need to undo these things. I'm just trying to get the
It has a different mode. Why does it have
sockets
eco?
sockets here. While you're doing, just to talk a bit about it. What
So
happened?
first come over here. Come over here. So basically what happened happened was one day we just heard this like big bang, like a sucking. It was like a sucking sound. So we went and checked around and saw it was a Hoover. It
The
smelled.
washing machine.
Another one. The washing machine, and it smelled really bad.
I think the motor went.
It was really
And
bad.
the thing is, it's no point in trying to replace the motor because by the time you've got someone to fix it and everything, it's not worth it. The previous one, the Samsung, is very good. We had it for quite some time. So just unscrewing this.
There's only a washing machine.
It was only a washing machine and we always wanted a kind of washer dryer. So we're just taking these off.
We had one in when we went on holiday, but it didn't work.
The dryer bit didn't work. Oh. Well, it is kind of screwed over thing. Fish that out.
Fish what out?
1 second. 1 second. Okay, so they mentioned the plastic caps. We hopefully want to get those out without any hassle. Okay, so that's what we're going to do here. What is that? Oh, maybe it's not. So what is that then?
Open the other one to see if this is the same.
Reload it. No, I must admit this is not the most easy thing to use. I'm good on with a kind of socket set. That's in the garage. Yeah, for the water, yeah. Yes, darling.
Go.
I'll show you in a minute. So that's that one there.
What? How does it work? What is it?
What is that?
I don't know.
What's that? Why did they put that in there?
These are for transportation. When you want to transport it.
We'll talk about the modes after we've like fixed all of them and stuff.
Yeah.
And the good thing is it has the filter thingy. I don't know what that is. It's like the where you put the liquid in.
Mm.
Ooh, that's so nice.
Well, the other one was 5 years old, so
5 years old.
the previous one, yeah.
I think that the old one looks cooler, isn't it?
Looks cooler.
Yeah.
You think so?
Yeah, definitely. And it told you when it was finished. In a weird way.
What do you used to do? A tune.
Yeah, shoot.
Okay, I want you to put that somewhere, please, if somebody gets injured. No, away where someone won't get injured. If you hit a bit of wood, you don't want to get hurt. So that's what I think it meant by the bit falling in. I'm not sure what that bit is there though. But these are all holes here. So we're going to put those caps, these, I presume it's these bits. Plastic caps go over. But that one fit in.
Daddy,
That would fit in there.
Daddy, look at me.
Oh yeah, very good.
We
So that-
should take them off before we put them on.
Yeah, and we'll just line them up for size. I reckon we should try and... What is that?
Do you know the
Could we get the instructions, please?
do you know the circle hole in the
They're
at the
not
bottom of
instructions.
the
They're not the instructions over there.
this one?
Over there. Please.
Yeah, what is that?
I don't know. Careful. Well, they're different. They should all come out.
That one just didn't come out.
I'm not quite sure what we're going to do with that one. Aha. It seems to be pushing the whole something forward there.
Oh, just a little bit. Oh, it worked.
Is that meant to be like that then?
Yeah,
They're meant
because
to stay like that.
I think these fit in that, but
No, but I'm thinking, why? Now that goes over in there. I'm not sure what that is meant to be. It's a bit worrying because I don't think it's meant to be in there. Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, let's just leave it. Leave it as it is. Just leave it as it is. It looks like just leave it central like that. I guess. Right, let's put the cap on top then. I've got the caps.
yeah. Should I just put this one in here?
That didn't seem to fit great, but yeah. Where's the last one?
There.
The last cap.
The last cap.
Where is it?
I won't take one.
Huh? Okay.
Wait, is the cap really important?
Probably just cover it over. Next job is to cut the pipe part. I don't think that's it.
A hole in my school.
Oh, this here. Is that
Daddy,
this here?
I have a hole in
I don't think. I
my
don't think it needs to cut.
Yeah.
I don't think, okay. Yeah.
I have a hole in my school.
Okay, that's good. So that can go there.
Maybe you are meant to put. Oh no, you're not. 'Cause it said you're meant to put it there, but there's nothing there.
There's nothing to cut. What's this bit here?
You have to take the whole back off.
I don't think so. Okay. Fix the sheet of corrugated metal onto the bottom as shown in the picture. Where's corrugated metal?
Is it this? No, it's not. That's not metal. Oh, the screws that go in there to
So
fix
what do you
the
need now?
metal piece in that's inside here already.
What do you need now?
Daddy, do you have to spray it?
Fix the sheet of corrugated material on the bottom as shown in picture. Let's just tilt it forward and see. Come on.
Daddy, do I hold
What's that? What's that?
Daddy, do I hold it?
Yeah, hold that down.
Let's hold that. I made it, Daddy. Hey!
Now that's underneath. Where's the corrugated metal then?
Don't know.
That's not it, is it? One second, that's not corrugated metal there, is it? It is saying you put that in the bottom.
I have a steak.
What's this to the bottom? This is not corrugated metal, this is kind of cardboard. Okay, let's do this.
Have you finished or no?
We need a water still.
Right, you're gonna have to
Yeah, you hold it. You hold it.
hold the camera. Hold the
Hold the
camera.
camera.
You're gonna support it there. Just make sure you don't get us in. Come on, get that side, please. Careful. Please hold it supported. Don't let it drop, please. Whatever you do, don't let it drop. Yeah. Hold. You got to you spun it. Spun the weight. Yeah. Yeah. Good. Good.
You lower.
I don't know. Let me just have a look.
Daddy,
Stop moving it.
It's hard to hold the washing machine.
under.
That seems to fit. This does not make any sense. The back of it. There's meant to be, there should be holes here. There's holes here.